how packages are dispatched, and the inherent complexities of logistics. There hasn't been a family of solutions that fits the full spectrum of market needs until now.
Howdy, I'm Brad. I'm a software developer for Speedy Good Freight, and I'm here to tell you that we've got a solution for your parcel tracking and tracing and troubleshooting problems. Today,
at Speedy Good Freight, we deliver freight fast. And in order to deliver freight fast, we run it over our conveyor belts super fast. In fact, sometimes we run parcels over our conveyor belts so fast they fly right off and get lost. And then when the customer comes and looks for their package, we don't have it. Management says this can't keep going on because we have to keep refunding the customer for their lost packages. So we need a way to find out when a package has fallen off the conveyor belt before the customer comes looking for it. In fact, if we could find out within a couple of minutes of when it was supposed to be at the next barcode scanner, that would be great, because we could go out there and find that box and put it back on the conveyor belt. And that would save us a lot of money. Now, Speedy Good Freight has 4 sorting facilities separated by some distance. Our truck drivers, they obey the speed limit, so sometimes we have to take 5 days to deliver that package, and sometimes it's 2 days, and sometimes it's 1 day. But inside each individual sorting facility, we have multiple barcode scanners. The customer drops the package off, we put a barcode on it, we scan that barcode, put in some information, and the package goes on to the weighing section where it gets weighed, and we capture that information, and barcode box goes on to the next spot where we go to pre-routing and we say, hey, where is this box actually going to go? And we set up the switching system so that by the time the box actually gets to the routing section, the conveyor belt is switched over and it's going to send that box to the output area if it's for local delivery, or to a holding area that's going to get on a truck to go to another sorting facility for final delivery. Now, if we could capture these barcode events, we could analyze them and determine when a package hasn't arrived at the next barcode scanner in a timely manner. And that's exactly what we're proposing to do with our solution with Pravega today. We're going to gather barcode scans from each of our scanners into an input stream that's specific to each sorting facility. We're going to store the next expected arrival time for a package in a Redis sorted set, so it makes it easier to find out which packages are late. And we're going to store meta information in a Pravega key value table. And that way we can get easy access to the destination sorting center, the weight, and the value of a package. Now, if we find out that a package hasn't arrived on time, we create a trouble event and write that into the trouble stream, which is located in our central processing center. Now, we just write a little bit of information to the central stream, and so the trouble reporter process goes back to the key value table and looks up additional information, such as what the origin and destination was, the value of the package, and so forth. And with that information, we're able to tell workers in the sorting center, hey, you got to go pick up this box because it was lost before it arrived to a particular barcode scanner. And here I have a little demonstration where we've created simulated barcode events for a particular package. So here I have a simulation where we are basically loading 1,000 packages in the course of 1 day, and then simulating them traversing the different sorting centers over the course of the next 7 days. So we have a little program that simulates all the tracking events, and we've programmed it to lose temporarily 20 packages, and then 5 packages out of those 20 will be permanently lost. And anyway, here you can see at the bottom of the screen the trouble reporter is showing where packages have been delayed, or if they have been late being delivered to a customer. And finally, if they've been lost completely, we can report what we need to refund the customer for the value of their package. So, great things for Pravega. Really looking forward to deploying this in our data center today. Thank you.